Indian art and crafts are like a mystical force that gives shape to the vision of an artist. One such ancient and attractive work of India is Kolhapuri Chappal from the Kolhapur district of Maharashtra region. But the sad reality is, like all the other art forms, the soulful craft of Kolhapur Chappal is also struggling. This is where Vaarsa, a vintage-inspired fashion and lifestyle brand, steps in. Vaarsa means legacy in Marathi. It's a brand taking revolutionary steps to revive the age-old tradition of manufacturing authentic Kolhapuri Chappal.